not being told why I'm getting arrested right now. You're holding me hard. You're holding me hard.
The Facebook video showed 30-year-old Yajaira Saavedra being arrested inside her parents' restaurant, La Morada, located in Mott Haven, on January 11, 2019, around 4:30 p.m., after undercover cops from the 40th precinct demand them to shut down the restaurant due to an investigation.
I obviously objected and asked for a warrant. This policeman, instead of showing me a warrant, said, I don't have a warrant, but I have a badge and a gun, and I could flip this restaurant around if you don't shut down the restaurant.
The police officers' main claim to their fear, which is just ludicrous, that they said that they were afraid for their safety and that's why they arrested my sister, was because their undercoverness was exposed.
Yajaira was put in a black van and was taken to the 40th precinct, where community members rallied her unlawful arrest, and was released a few hours after without any charges. Carolina Saavedra, sister of Yajaira and Marco, suffered a panic attack and told us if it wasn't for her panic attack, she would have been arrested along with her sister.
Instead of feeling like peaceful in here, like in this place, right? La Morada is home to a lot of us. Now there's fear that was never here before, right?
Residents at Mott Haven gathered at La Morada for a press conference to make powerful comments regarding issues in the Bronx.
When we want to talk about health, when we want to talk about #Not62, we need to talk about policing, we need to talk about arrests as a public health issue.
We can have beautiful places like La Morada without development. We don't need to talk to the city.
I've seen this happen to other clergy who have come to look at disturbances outside their church and been told by the police, get back inside and do your job.
The Saavedra family and their civil rights attorney, Rose Weber, will be filing a notice of claim and then proceeding with a federal civil rights lawsuit.
It was an arrest. They came in here, they slapped her in handcuffs, they put her in a police car, they took her to the precinct, they held her against her will for 3 hours, and then they simply voided the arrest as if it had never happened, which is as close as NYPD will ever come to admitting that they did something with absolutely no probable cause.
After a traumatizing incident at the Morada Restaurant, the Saavedra family are demanding answers for what happened, and so this won't happen again to anyone else. Reporting for BronxNet, Yesenia Ramos.